Welcome to Cooking with Mother Goose. Taste the world. Today it's happy hour in Spain. Come on in, Mom.
Hey, bud. Should we make a happy hour drink?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Today we're going to make the sangria, a virgin sangria. Sangria was born here in Spain, so we're going to make it for you today with a few, yes, you may slice the one. With a few little twists. For example, instead of wine, we are going to use a mixture of grape juice and peach juice. So I'm going to pour that in. Axel's going to cut up some fruit, and we're going to enjoy this on the terrace with some snacks. So Axel's using one of our kid-safe knives. And here we're going to need some raspberries, some blueberries, lots of blueberries, and important tip, if you put your berries in the freezer, they act like extra ice cubes, so it'll help keep your drink cold. So earlier we had these grapes and berries in the freezer so that they are nice and cold. It's a tasty treat. So for those friends who don't consume alcohol because of their choice or because of their age or because they're having a baby, this is the way to have a special and fun happy hour to be able to enjoy just like the real deal. Yep.
Get in there.
Then personally, can I help you? Personally, I like to add a little sparkling water into the sangria because I just like that kind of that effervescence, those bubbles. So I'm gonna top these with some sparkling water, okay? Woo!
Just to make sure that the cuisines.
There we go. Pop that up. There we go. Yeah. They're beautiful. Kind of like a great way to get your fruit in. Whoop, gotcha. Be sure that we wash all the produce first. Okay. So why don't I'm going to put them on this tray. And we can go and enjoy them outside. Look at that, how pretty.
This one's mine.
Okay, what we might need here. Extra snacks. All right. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's 7 o'clock here. Here we go. Gorgeous senor. All right.
Think of a napkin?
Yes, you may. For your manners. Like Barbie is waiting for hers.
Hey, I lick my grapes.
Cheers. Salud.
Salud. Is it plastic?
All right. Well, thank you for joining us in happy hour in Spain. Enjoy.
Don't forget to subscribe.